All right, this is John and Parita's YouTube channel. So here's her family singing.
Yes, I was born for you. The choice was never yours. It's as if that you stole the universe, conspired to make you mine. Till the day I die, yesterday I was born for you. So boring. Many foolish people trying to come between us. None of it seems to matter when you look into your eyes. Now I know where I belong to you. In your arms I found the answer. Sometimes nothing seems so wrong. The only realize that I was born for you, and that you were born for me. And is right? It was really meant to be. What we have, the world could never understand, never take away. Until the day I die, I bless the day that I was born for.
Kapela. Sorry na. Sorry na. It's okay. We're shy.
All right, that was real good. Well, we're good, and so we'll make another video right now of their next song. So thank you for joining us.
Brought to you by